We'll wrap up our introduction to C with a little terminology and some practical details. You might see the word used in various places to refer to the size of a pointer. So for example, a 32-bit machine or a 64-bit machine, generally that means that pointers are represented in 32 bits or 64 bits, or that the address space is that big. You will, however, encounter word when it doesn't quite mean that because it got attached to a particular processor or particular word size in the past and just stuck to that meaning, such as the word, all in capitals data type in the Windows API, or as we will see, the use of W for word in the x86-64 instruction set. Meanwhile, things like integers, the standard doesn't say that a signed integer is represented by 2's complement, although a lot of things that we will do in this class will assume that, and generally in practice you can just assume that signed integers are implemented in 2's complement. The standard also does not say how many bytes are occupied by types like int, short, and long, even though I've given you a listing before, and I'll repeat some of it here. In practice, an integer is always 4 bytes, so any platform that you're likely to work on, it's going to be 4 bytes. A long can be 4 or 8 bytes, and mostly this depends on whether it's a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture, but even in 64-bit Windows, long means 4 bytes. For our purposes all semester, though, a long is going to be 8 bytes, which is the same as the size of an address. But if you ever need to write portable code, if you ever want to be specific about an integer size matching the number of bits that are in an address, you can use int pointer _t, and that particular data type is defined by the inttypes.h header file.